If you'd like to see how I'm going to spruce up these little rubber slides that I got from the pharmacy into these lovely, glamorous, denim embellished and rhinestone slides, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I'm going to be adding some denim and some bling to these little kids size 6 rubber slides. So first I'm going to use my little drill and Dremel them off. I've already done that because I was in a hurry. I'm going to be using some Krystal Glaze glue and some Maxi Cure glue. And I wiped them off with alcohol already, as you can see. And for some reason this Krystal Glaze did come out like a lime green color, but it didn't hurt anything. It still worked just fine. And I'm also going to add on the Maxi Cure Bob Smith glue. And I'm just going to gently place on this little DIY patch that I made. I did a short on my channel if you'd like to see how I made those patches. Super simple. Now I have some rhinestone adhesive trim that I'm going to use. I'm going to put a little bit of the Maxi Cure just to give it an even more secure hold. And I just cut out like a row of 2 or 3 of these little bitty gems, and it just gives it a really nice trim. And it's really stretchable, so it really comes in handy. And they say blessed, as you can see. I used my Silhouette Cameo cutter to cut out the words. And I had some jeans, some old jeans that doesn't fit anymore, either one of my children's jeans or something like that. Instead of tossing those jeans out, keep those jeans, you guys, so you can make your own DIY patches. So I didn't have the denim come all the way to the sides because that's where I'm going to add this larger size water drop shaped bling. Now remember, you want to sand down really good and wipe it off with alcohol. So when you add these gems on, they'll stay pretty well. You just have to give this glue really about 60 seconds to a few minutes, and it locks on really well. So if you're looking for a fast cure glue, you might want to check out the Maxi Cure. Most of the time I do wear gloves because it will stick your fingers together in an instant. And it fully cures in about 6 hours. I think 3 to 6 hours. So I'm just going to cover up this area. And I'm going to make sure I cover up that denim on the side. It's a really simple design. These shoes literally, I think, took me less than 30 minutes to complete. I was in a hurry also. The next morning I was going to catch a flight. We went to Atlanta, Georgia. And I have a really good friend that lives down there, and I'm making these shoes for her daughter. So this is how the first slide is looking. What I had to do was just allow it to sit on one side and dry and cure, because you don't want them to slide off because they are kind of, you know, nice sized gems. So I just went ahead and went over to the other shoe and started adding my gems there. Now you don't have to use as chunky of bling that I use. I just like the look that it gave. You can also use pearls. You can use smaller size rhinestones. You can do patches. There's quite a bit that you can do. Oh, I didn't mention in the beginning of the video, this tool that I'm using to pick up the gems is called a wax. It's either called a wax pickup tool or a wax picker tool. And you can get them off Amazon. If not, I also have them on my website. But if you prefer to get them off Amazon, that's great as well. But that's what it should be under, wax picker tool. The cool thing I really like about these patches is that you can do them in any denim shade that you have, any denim wash you may have. If you have some colored denim, you could do that. If you have black denim, pink denim, you could switch up how you whatever words you want to put on them. I think this is a great way for you guys to switch up those Crocs, those slides, especially for you all who want to stand out and who like do Crocs on a regular. For your customers, you could just use a Silhouette Cameo, cut out their name, cut out the name of their company, whatever you want, put it onto some denim or whatever fabric that you would like, and I think it gives it such a really nice customized feel. Also on my website, myroyalradiance.com, I do have pre-cut heat transfer fabric. I do have like some LV logos, CC logos, like the Chanel logos, the Fendi logos. I have different things of that nature. If you wanted to experiment, just to play around with it and make your own patches. Patches can be pretty expensive, so if you can make your own patches and really customize them the way you want to, I think that's a big win for your Crocs business or whatever it is that you customize. I think that's a big win. I'm almost finished with these shoes. Like I said, this particular design didn't take long at all. It was perfect because I was already in a hurry. Now I'm just finishing up that final side. You want to make sure the one side at least dries pretty quickly if you can. So I'm just going to continue to add on these gems and I'll be finished. And in case you were wondering the measurements, I like to say the words bless were probably about between 3.5 inches to possibly 4 inches. And that denim was pretty stretchy, so it was able to kind of stretch across. So that really came in handy. Earlier I meant to say I have pre-cut heat transfer vinyl. I also have fabric as well on my website. So you could check that out at myroyalradiance.com. But the heat transfer vinyl, you'll just have to iron that on yourself to your denim once you make your patches. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these little turquoise slides. These are kid slides. They're really cute. They are actually a little big. Once we got down there, I didn't know what size her feet were, but I guess she's 4 years old, so I should have knew it would be a little bit smaller. But she's on a tall side, so however, she'll be able to grow into them. But these were very simple, cute, and fun to make. My friend, she's very religious, very holy, so that's why I decided to put blessed on them. And I thought that would be something just really cute for her daughter to wear, and she really likes them. She does just have to wait a while before they actually fit. But you guys, let me know, what do you think about the denim on these little rubber slides? And this glue, the Maxi Cure, holds up very well, so I don't have a doubt in my mind that the denim will be lifting or that we'll have any problems like that. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Share it on Facebook if you can. And if you are going to subscribe to this channel, make sure that you do hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.